Making money online is quite easy these days, honestly. Now we have AI, it makes it even easier. In my previous video, a lot of you requested I make a list of platforms that you can actually apply your story on, additional to this particular one. So yes, in today's video, that is exactly what we are doing. If you are coming across particular channel for the very first time, welcome to Financial Also TV. What we do here is talk on how you can actually make real money online and offline business ideas and tips. If that's of your interest, hit the subscribe button and join the family. Now let's dive in today's video. So firstly, if you're just coming across this particular type of platform, let me briefly tell you what this particular platform and how you can actually earn money from them. So you're going to be earning money from them writing story. You are going to write story and then you apply to get a contract. So there are two types of contracts, exclusive and non-exclusive. So it depends on how good your story is to determine the type of contract the particular platform is going to give you. Now let me show you these particular platforms and how much you are going to make and how much they are going to pay you per story. I'm going to be saving the best for the last, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't miss that particular one. Now let's dive in. So the first platform is called iStory. Head over to your Chrome browser and type in iStory Writers Benefits. Click on the very first link. It's going to take you to this particular page. As you can see on the screen, authors benefits. Now, how many word counts do you need to actually apply for contracts? Word counts, that is the word in your story, like your first chapter. For instance, now your chapter can be maybe like 900 word or 1000 words, so that is word count. In case you don't know, how many word counts did you need to submit on this particular platform to apply for contracts? On iStory, you need to submit 12,000 word counts. For instance, your chapter is 1000 word, which is 1000 word count. You have to submit 12 chapter of your story to apply for contract. As I've said earlier, we have two type of contracts, exclusive and non-exclusive. How good your story is will determine the type of contracts they will offer you. So let's talk about the revenue you're going to be generating from your story. For exclusive contracts, you're going to be getting signing bonus of $50, that is 12k word count. Then you get monthly attendance bonus. Your first month you get $50, second month you get 100, third month you get $150. Then for your completion bonus, you determine the word count of your story. The word count of your story will determine how much you're going to be getting for your completion bonus. So you're going to be getting $100 for 150k word, $150 for 200k word, and $200 for 300k word of story. All right, now let's move to the non-exclusive contracts. For signing bonus, you are going to be getting $10 to $100, and also you're going to be getting extra bonus, no monthly attendance bonus for non-exclusive contracts. So for extra bonus, you're going to be getting $15 based on viewers. Okay, if you have 300 viewers, you're going to get $15, 800, $20, and also revenue share. You're going to be getting 50% of what the company earned from your story. You're also going to get revenue share on exclusive contracts too. So to register, click on become writer. It's going to take you to this particular page. Just scroll to the side. You're going to see where you're going to register an account. So you're going to register an account using your Gmail or your Facebook account. So I would recommend using your Google account. So the next platform is called Taproot or 7Cards. They are both the same thing. All you have to do is go to your Chrome browser and type in Taproot Writer Benefits, or better still 7Cards. It's going to take you to this particular page. So to apply for contracts on 7Cards, you need 10,000 word counts. On iStory, it is 12,000 word, and on 7Cards, it is 10,000 word count. So make sure you go through their earning structure, how much you're going to be making. I don't want this video to be too long because we've not covered the other two platforms. So how you're going to register, just click on start writing now above or below of this site. You click on it and it's going to take you to this particular place where you're going to be registering with your Google account. Register and get started. So the next platform is mobile reader. Go to your Chrome browser as usual, type in mobile readers writers benefits, click on the very first link. It's going to take you to this particular page. Now before you can actually apply on mobile reader, you need to write up to like 30k word. You're going to be applying with 30k word on this particular platform before you can apply for contracts. You get my point? So now The revenue share, check it out. It's also 50%, 50% revenue share on mobile reader. You're also going to be getting your signing bonus if you get an exclusive contract. Just read the rules and regulation, like every single thing that you really need to know about a particular platform. Now let's talk about the genre. So the genre that they like on mobile readers: romance, billionaire romance, mafia romance. Yeah, just make sure that your story has a good pacing and then inciting incidents. So yeah, you're going to get contracts. Now to create an account on mobile reader, just click on create new story. You just scroll down and you're going to see create new story. So you click on it to join, and that is how you're going to create an account if you don't have an account with mobile reader before. So the next platform is Letterlot. Letterlot is one of the best platforms so far as well. So yeah, to apply on Letterlux, go to your Chrome browser as usual and type in Letterlux. Click on the very first link. It's going to take you to this particular page. If the page does not look like this, it is not Letterlux. Okay, click on the very first link. It's going to take you to this particular page. Now there are two type of contracts on all of this platform: exclusive and non-exclusive contracts. So amount of money you're going to be making actually depend on the type of contracts you get on this particular platform. So now the word count that you need to apply for contracts on Letterlux now is 30k word. Before it was not up to 30k word at all, but now it is now 30k word. So to register on Letterlux, click on this place that I style code to apply to start creating and submitting your book. Make sure you to read their rules and regulation before you apply for contracts. Understand this. If you don't understand, screenshot and send to ChatGPT to explain or break it down into a very simple language or English, so you know what you're about to go into. Sometimes Letterlux can be so strict, yeah, but it's not that strict. So if you're a newbie and you want to apply on Letterlux, I would recommend you write billionaire romance story, mafia romance story, werewolf stories to get a contract on Letterlux. Lastly, a lot of you are asking to be using PayPal accounts. No, you don't need a PayPal account. You can actually use your Nigeria domiciliary account or Payoneer account or geegpay or gray accounts. You can use any of these four to receive payments. So it works worldwide. It is not just for Africans alone. As a matter of fact, it is not an African platforms. Okay, so yeah, it works worldwide. Alright guys, see you in my next video and do take care of yourself. So if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all of them. Bye, see you in the next one and do take care of yourself.